If you're translating content for all your markets, but your sales are underperforming, it's time to pursue a strategy that goes beyond translation. We help global digital marketers maximize results in existing markets and identify opportunities for expansion into new locales through our global content marketing process. This 8-part process quickly and easily yields repeatable campaigns that are more locally targeted, culturally appropriate, and personally relevant. The process starts by examining technical architecture. It's critical to optimize your website's technical architecture to be found in all your desired markets. Next comes content. Our content analysis investigates in-market content performance. You'll learn what languages your current audiences prefer to interact in and what markets you should target. The content analysis feeds into Phase 3 of the content lifecycle, when you'll select assets to optimize. You'll choose high-value pages for optimization based on marketing goals in each region. After selecting what pages to optimize, you'll choose the level of optimization for each piece of content during Phase 4. Got a short, technical page? Standard optimization of translated content may do. Want to reach your buyer at an emotional level? Select our advanced or premium service offerings. All content optimization projects include search engine optimization research. During Phase 5, we conduct in-market research, which becomes the basis of the next step in the process. Phase 6 is devoted to content optimization. We optimize your metadata and everything on your page for search engines and local audiences. Track the progress of your content in Phase 7 to make sure it's performing well. We measure things like ranking, traffic, bounce rates, and conversions to give you insight. The final phase focuses on replanning. Rework content that should perform better and identify new content to develop. Then the process repeats. With no endpoint to the circle, optimization is ongoing, enabling your content to resonate globally indefinitely.